What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Windows 10 to the latest Windows 10 October 2020 update. This update came out today on October 20th. So for example, if you go to Start and then you click on Settings, and in Settings you go to Windows Updates and then you check for updates, and your system is saying you're up to date and you don't see any 2020 update, what you need to do, you need to minimize this, and then you need to open your internet browser, and we need to go to this website, and I'll put link in the description below. We need to download Media Creation Tool. So what we need to do, we need to click on Download Tool Now, and then in here just click Save File and see this Media Creation Tool for 20H2. Click on Save File. Once file is downloaded, we need to either go to our download folder or just run it from here. And then once we get to this page, what we need to do, we need to click on Accept. And right here, once we get to this page, there's a couple options. First option, upgrade this PC now, or create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD, or ISO for another PC. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna choose this option because I'm gonna use this ISO for my other systems as well. And then I'm gonna click Next. And then right here, I'm gonna leave everything as default. And then I'm gonna click Next. And right here, instead of using USB flash drive, you can use one, but it have to be 8 gigs. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna choose ISO file, and then I'm gonna click Next. And I'm gonna save this ISO file to desktop, and I'm gonna name it Windows 10 2020. And then I'm gonna click on Save. And now it's downloading Windows 10. Once the download is complete, we need to click on Finish here. And then we can minimize this window. And right here on our desktop, I can see new Windows 10 2020 ISO appeared. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna double click on it. It's gonna mount ISO, and it's gonna open up File Explorer with Windows 10 in it. And then I'm gonna double click on Setup. And right here, I'm just gonna go through the installation process. I'm just gonna click Next. And then in here, I'm gonna click Accept. Now it's checking for updates. And that's it. It's ready to be installed. And the last thing we have to do, just click Uninstall. And now it's installing Windows 10 October Update 2020. And this process could take up to an hour. That's it, installation is done. Now we can log in into our computer. And it's finishing up installing the rest of the updates. That's it. Now you have the latest Windows 10 2020 October update installed on your computer. And now you can enjoy all new features. And if you go to Start, you click on Settings, and then you click on Systems, and then you scroll down and click on About. And right here, you can see Windows 10 Enterprise version 20H2. That's 2020. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.